Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. My name is Anthony.Salazar. Everybody calls me Big Sal. Today we're going to be looking at this awesome 2019 Newmar Bay Star 3226. Awesome unit. It's on the Ford platform. Great looking coach, full body paint, awesome looking unit. It's got great storage underneath. Let's check out a couple units so we can see here. Here's your gen, which is on. Awesome storage, easy to access. Now this one's got 3 slides on it. For a smaller unit, gives you a lot of room inside. Nice big cap back here. It's really well insulated. You got toppers on all the slides. There's your tow hitch. Like I said, you got your backup camera. Here's your other big slide on the other side and more storage. Let's go on inside and take a peek. So here's our bedroom. Awesome, nice big king bed. You got your television. You got 2 closets here, nice wardrobe closets, a his and hers. Lots of storage in there. Storage up above as well. Of course, you got your nice fit and finish. The Newmar, they're just a great quality product. They really do a nice job. Their fit and finish is superior. Then as we come back in through here, take a look at our bathroom. Nice shower. Nice sink and medicine cabinet. You got a fantastic fan in there. Nice size fridge on this unit. It's got a convection oven. You've got your nice burners here, 3 burners. Lots of great storage. Like I said, the fit and finish on the Newmar products is really nice. They really do a good job. Another fantastic fan here. And then this is your living room area in here. Nice table and chairs. You got the nice corner unit with the Bose sound bar. Lots of top and storage below. Beautiful couch. Beautiful fit and finish. Of course, it's all on the Ford platform. You've got your backup cameras. You got all the everything that you need. Auto levelers. It's really a beautiful coach. Folks, if you're interested in this coach or any other coach here at Guaranty RV, please give me Big Sal a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.